Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to get your old bull bar looking shiny and new again. This video is mainly for stainless steel and aluminium front bull bars. The process is the exact same. The products may differ depending on what bull bar you have. If you want to wash down your bull bar, which I have already done, I'm going to do an extra step and use a metal cleaner just to try to get rid of all the crap and that on it. Then what you want to do is use a polish that's meant for your type of bull bar, whatever metal it is. I've done a test spot right here. Okay, to clean this with the cleaner, all you do is you spray it on, rub it in with a wet microfiber cloth, and then you give it 2 to 3 minutes for it to do its thing, and then you rub it off with a dry one. So I'm going to go over the entire car, bull bar, with this stuff, and get it all nice and clean. As you can see, it's already removed a fair amount of crap just from doing these little bits. Okay, I've finished cleaning all the metal, so now I'm going to polish it. I'm just using some general metal polish that will work on both stainless steel and aluminium, so it doesn't really matter. So all you do is put some polish on your rag, rub it in, and you'll get a little bit of it will start to go black, going backwards and forwards, and then once you've done gotten it to what you think is clean, grab another clean rag and then just wipe it off. And that's now a lot shinier. It's still not perfect, so you may have to do it 2 or 3 times to get it right, but it will get there eventually. Okay, that was definitely worth doing. It took me about 2 hours to do, including filming. I do recommend, if you're going to do it, wear gloves. Now, I haven't done a perfect job on it. There's still a lot of bits here and there, mainly around like these bolts and these hooks. They're not the best, but I think I'm going to take this off later on to fix up all in here. and put new bolts on and everything. So I'll give it another polish, hopefully with a polisher or whatever, when I do that.